Plastics, the revolutionary material of the 21st century. As a material, plastics are indispensable and a growth enabler for an industrial and consumer economy. Very integral in our day-to-day lives and the lifeline of all technological developments. Every new invention or innovation has a plastic component. On 14th July 1945, a significant and remarkable organization came into existence. The All India Plastics Manufacturers Association, or AIPMA. The tireless efforts of the association bore fruit, and mighty oaks grew from little acorns planted in those early days. Today, AIPMA has truly revolutionized the plastics industry in India and makes a considerable impact on its growth and prosperity. From its very inception, the association was focused to play a key role in taking the Indian plastics industry to the world. Today, AIPMA is a pan-India association based in Mumbai with regional offices in Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata and Ahmedabad, representing all segments across the value chain in plastics processing.
So I see a vast scope for the plastic processing industry to flourish, and IPMA can play a very pivotal role in charting the growth of the plastic processing industry in the country. I wish IPMA all the success.
Today, as we celebrate this scintillating journey of 70 years, let us now take you back into our journey in decade-wise recapitulation of our past presidents and the significant achievements of AIPMA under their aegis. We are privileged to have some of our pioneers with us. All our presidents, the who's who in the industry, are astute visionaries, having worked honorably for this organization for the betterment of the industry. AIPMA is rich in its experience of 70 years, but continues to be young at heart in its enthusiasm because of the collective dedication of its leaders and its members. In the coming decade, AIPMA will forge ahead with larger initiatives and efforts to support the industry to grow and flourish further. The journey ahead will see greater glory, greater achievement and greater commitment, because at the core of AIPMA is its enthusiasm for looking beyond the horizons.
The best thing that I have found about IPMA is that they are very much in tune with the time, with the trends. I think this strength of really keeping in tune with the times has actually made them also a torchbearer for progress of plastic industry in India. I wish them all the best for their next 70 years.
Today, the association has as many as 2,500 members from over 172 cities and towns of India and is the premier body of the plastics industry in India.
Being a proud member of AIPMA, it is like being in a family that celebrates their grandfather's 70th birthday.
AIPMA, through several initiatives, is proactive in knowledge sharing, both as a resource body and exchange program, as well as technology upgradation. AIPMA is invited to submit the pre-budget memorandum on behalf of the plastics industry by the Finance Ministry every year. It is the only participant from Asia at the CIPAD Global Conference. The Utkarsh initiative is to encourage the youth to be a part of AIPMA. It actively supports various environment and cleanup initiatives across the country. The job fair activity connects job seekers with companies who have job opportunities. It is working with various government bodies to open dedicated plastic industrial zones across the country. It conducts seminars across the country to promote the plastic industry. The B2B initiative connects industry providers, bridging the need gap. It incubates new entrants and shares best practices and insights with them. Its delegations connect with global trade bodies, facilitating bilateral trade growth.
CIPET and APMA has worked together in this endeavor. I am sure in future CIPET and APMA will further reinforce their relationship and work together for the growth of petrochemical industry and also plastic waste management.
It has played a pivotal role in founding Plast India along with 6 other founder member organizations. AIPMA organizes Plastivision India, a mega exhibition every 3 years, the largest, most acclaimed and one of the top 10 plastics exhibitions in the world. Plastivision India 2017 will be the 10th edition and a UFI certified event. This year's edition has grown by over 50% and more than 2 lakh visitors are expected to visit the trade fair. It also hosts Plastivision Arabia every 2 years. Plastivision Arabia will host its 4th edition in 2017. Both these events have grown from strength to strength. The 11th edition of Plastivision will be hosted in Delhi in 2019.
Our country offers large domestic market for plastic product. To the country is still a scope to introduce several varieties of new plastic products to meet the growing aspiration of the economy. We expect AIPMA to be the catalyst of the growth of Indian plastic industry in future.
The forecast for the per capita consumption of plastics is 30 kgs by 2025, almost a 3-fold jump from the current per capita consumption of 11 kgs. This massive growth would entail a huge investment in machinery and stupendous growth in manpower requirement.
Plastic industry, according to me, is an ideal industry for implementing the vision of Make in India and Made in India. I would like to congratulate AIPMA for completing 70 glorious years of their existence.
It is a wonderful moment for us in IPMA, who has travelled 70 years. We are about to enter a golden era for the plastic industry of India. We would like to set up skill development center for the trained manpower to bridge the gap, as well as design centers and many other gaps which are going to happen. The new entrepreneurs will get the opportunity, bigger opportunity in the plastic industry, and for that also we are going to start the courses for management and like that.
AIPMA, spearheading the plastics revolution.